how much do I need to invest to qualify for the Brazil Golden Visa? Hello, my name is Luciano Oliveira. I am a Brazilian attorney, and here is the answer. For most of the country, you need to buy a real estate property for 1 million reais. The exception is going to be in the north and northeast of the country, where you can buy a property for 700,000 reais and still qualify. The reason for this difference is that the Brazilian government wants to develop the north and northeast of the country, thus the lower required amounts for you to secure the Brazil Golden Visa. One question we hear often here at the firm is, how many people can I bring with me to Brazil? So it's important to note that for every person going to Brazil as an immigrant, you're gonna need 1 million reais. So if you are a couple, you're gonna need a property for 2 million reais. If you have a couple of children, it gotta be 4 million reais. And the only possibility of bringing more people without meeting the 1 million reais requirement per person is to first secure the temporary residency, which is good for 4 years, and after that you can apply for the permanent residency, and then as a permanent resident, only then you can apply for the so-called family reunion, and then through family reunion you can bring children, you can bring relatives using this specific provision. Going back to the amount, it's important to understand that this money should be sent by a Brazilian currency exchange bank to the seller. So it's not gonna work if you buy a plot of land for 500,000 reais and later on you spend an additional 500 in construction or renovation, and furniture is not gonna count, taxes are not gonna count. So you gotta send 1 million reais to the seller through a Brazilian currency exchange bank, and that's another major requirement, and that's one of the main reasons why some people have their application denied, because again, you gotta send this entire 1 million reais to the seller, and everything else, taxes, furniture, renovation, it's not gonna be counted for the visa. They are gonna be simply ignored. If this information was helpful to you, I'm gonna ask you for you to like this video now, and you can also share your impressions about how much is required for this visa in the comment section below. Let me know, do you think it is too much, too little, maybe the right amount? Let us know in the comment section, and I hope to see you in our next video.